Welcome to this post. In this post, I am going to discuss Indian movies versus international movies. I am going to reveal a few important secrets as well as important secrets that nobody might have told you before. So, initially, I have referred to Hindi movies, Bollywood movies. After that, I have switched to Tamil movies. So, what is the difference between Tamil movies and international movies? That is, whatever movies produced in Hollywood. Literature wise, we know Shakespeare, we know Julius Caesar. Like that, we know Jurassic Park, Bruce Lee, Superman, Spider-Man. So, what is the status of India in this regard? The reality is, we should be happy now because Indian movies have started crossing money worldwide. We Indians have started surfacing in Hollywood too. This is really an achievement. It is an achievement, obviously, because so far Indians have never had their space in Hollywood, even a small space. What happened actually? Just be cool. Because I am not young, I am old enough, I am 49, so I am cool. But youngsters may jump with anger. What's wrong with Indian movies? Why there is no movie from India like Jurassic Park or Superman? The reason is our Indian movies always revolve around a family theme. Otherwise, the movie will fail. That is the reality. So, this has a long connection with our history. So far, Indian literature is concerned, we have generations wise only themes related to, that is, stories. Stories related to home, life, marriage, and about God. These stories only were told to us by our elders. So the same happened generations wise. Down the generations, the same message has been passed. So we Indians never wanted to venture out of family themes. Family themes. That's why the initial Indian movies, now let me switch to Tamil movies. The initial Tamil movies revolved around devotional themes. Then slowly Tamil movies started exploring social themes. Social themes, they knew it was risky. It was risky. That's why they added sub love stories. Then they added one or two love songs, which kept the audience enthralled. They were very, very happy to watch love songs, then listen to love songs. So, after radio came, this trend got set. So, people enjoyed family stories. So, all producers were happy to produce family themes or social themes. Sometimes, a story that might have been selected to be made into a movie might have lacked interest, but it's interesting content. So, they should have developed it. Please add two more songs and two more stunt scenes, fight scenes. That will keep the audience interested. They did it and the movie won. So, this is the formula. Family theme, love story or spirituality, still 4 fight scenes and 5 songs, out of which 3 will be duet songs. The audience were very, very happy. So they started paying importance to whatever movies that contained stunt scenes and love songs. Slowly comedy was added. So it was clearly established in the Tamil film industry that any movie, if it had to succeed, should contain comedy, romance, 5 songs, and 4 stunt scenes. So to support stunt scenes, to support stunt scenes, a villainous character was identified. Sometimes there was an antagonist. Sometimes he was created just because they needed to include fight scenes in the movie. Then social themes with an antagonist, namely a villain, who goes on doing bad things, evil, and the hero exactly opposite. Mostly the movies in which the hero came as a police officer ran for several days, even 100 days, and then revenge stories. A peaceful family disturbed, the hero would be a completely, maybe a village boy, totally innocent. So when his family gets spoiled or somebody killed, he goes berserk, angry. He takes a weapon. He goes and kills the antagonist, so that he ensures a justice. He delivers justice. So love stories, delivering justice, all these things became famous, and they became an inseparable part in Tamil movies. So once this formula got established, some people still tried to experiment because of their Hollywood movie watching experience. We Tamil movies discussing family, love, delivering justice, and comedy too. That time Hollywood movies were about Bruce Lee, his stunt skills, then Superman, Spider-Man, James Bond. So the Hollywood movies went in a different direction, and the Hollywood movies collected a huge money throughout the globe. Still, the producers, some intellectuals in 80s and even 90s, they wanted to experiment, they wanted to tell the story outside the routine formula. Such movies flopped, they bombed. That's why everyone got afraid. No, let me not. I won't try to break the formula. Otherwise, I'll be at a loss. Why should I lose money? No. I will follow the same formula. So regular attempts are still there in the Tamil movie field to present different themes. Something out of the love story, triangular love stories, or delivering justice. Something outside. Such movies mostly fail, still some movies get recognized. So, if we want our Tamil movies to be recognized globally, if a Tamil movie has to be dubbed in every language, it has to run equal to something like a Jurassic Park or Superman or James Bond. We should definitely come out of the Tamil movie field, should definitely come out of the delivering justice formula or hero, heroine, 5 songs, 4 fight scenes. Once this formula is broken, so many new people will come to produce different movies. Then only we can have our share. We can collect from so many countries of the world. Without breaking the routine formula, we can't do anything. There are so many producers in India, in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, who are ready to break the routine formula. They have some stories. But everybody is hesitant. No. If we break the formula, the routine formula, delivering justice, romance, comedy, 5 songs, out of which 3 should be duets songs and 4 stunt scenes. If we break this, what will happen? So, I am damn sure producers are ready. But how many of us are ready to watch such daringly different movies? If we support such movies, we Indians, we Tamil people, can have our own name in the global movie industry. Otherwise, if we don't support different themes, if we go on support, let us support this and that. Anyhow, if we don't support daring, bold, new attempts, and if we go on supporting only the delivering justice or the routine formula themes. It will take time for Tamil movies to get their own name in the global movie industry. This is my solid opinion. Thanks for the opportunity.